Hi everyone, as traders, we're aware of the crucial role open interest plays in the world of derivatives trading. In this video, we'll talk about our recently launched open interest indicator and how it can simplify your trading. Let's kick things off with the basics. What exactly is open interest? In derivatives trading, OI refers to the total number of outstanding derivative contracts like futures and options that have not been settled. Now, the OI indicator is a tool that visualizes this data directly on your charts, offering valuable insights into market sentiments and potential price movements. It's a vital piece in understanding market dynamics and making informed trading decisions. To access the OI indicator, log into FireSwap or the mobile application, head over to Indicators and Strategies, type Open Interest and select the OI indicator. Here's how it looks on the FireSwap. Notice the blue line? That's the OI for the selected instrument, Nifty in this case. And the black line? That's the default 20-day simple moving average which has been overlaid on the OI data. What's great about Fire's OI indicator is its flexibility. You can switch between a simple moving average or an exponential moving average. You can also adjust settings like the period of moving average, which can help you align the indicator with your unique trading strategy. Now, let's dive deep into the real-world application of the OI indicator by discussing different scenarios and what they mean.
Decreasing OI with decreasing prices, which is termed as long unwinding, suggests the end of a bearish trend. It indicates that traders are closing their long positions, possibly expecting a market reversal or to take profits from the downtrend. Scenario 2. Increasing OI with decreasing prices, which is called as the short buildup, is generally a bearish scenario. It signals that more traders are entering new short positions, expecting the prices to fall further. Scenario 3. Increasing OI and increasing prices, which is called as long buildup, is viewed as a bullish scenario. It indicates that more traders are venturing into new long trades in anticipation for prices to go up, thereby strengthening the current uptrend. Scenario 4. Stable OI with rising prices might be signaling a weaker bullish sentiment. It means that the upward price movement is not being accompanied by an increase in new long positions. Scenario 5. Decreasing OI with increasing prices is popularly known as short covering. It could indicate that the bullish trend has lost its momentum. It suggests that the traders are closing their short positions, possibly leading to a temporary push in prices due to short covering. Scenario 6. Declining prices but with stable OI. If OI remains more or less the same while prices are witnessing a downward movement, it might indicate a weak bearish sentiment and that the downward price movement is not being supported with new short positions.
Abnormally high open interest, irrespective of the price movement, may denote excessive market leverage and hence volatile markets. A large number of open contracts might indicate that the market is overextended and could be prone to sharp price movements on any new information. Before we proceed further, it's crucial to note a key aspect of the OI indicator. Remember, this tool is specifically designed for futures and options charts. It does not apply to your regular stock trading or main index charts. The OI indicator is focused on tracking open contracts in the derivatives market, not the regular stock or index trading. Keeping this in mind will help you utilize the tool effectively within its intended scope. For your convenience, we've prepared a handy cheat sheet summarizing the key points of OI indicator. This quick reference guide will assist you in rapidly identifying trading scenarios and making swift, informed decisions. If you're hungry for more information or want to explore this topic in greater depth, we've got you covered. Check out the link in the description below to access a detailed blog post on the open interest indicator. This comprehensive guide is an excellent resource for enhancing your understanding and skills. That wraps up our tutorial on the OI indicator. Thank you for watching, happy trading, and we'll see you in our next video.